All right, what's up, everybody? Okay, so a couple weeks ago, I gave a video of me pulling some potatoes with my son, and I got another grow bag. You can see that the leaves are pretty much dead. So now we are going to see what we got in here. All right, guys, so let's check it out. See, I'm doing a one-hand thing. All right, small potatoes, little baby potatoes there. Look at the little baby potatoes. Right. Nice little harvest so far. Oh, look at that. That's a nice looking little potato. All right, look at that. It's a good little grow bag here. Wow, look at this. This is cool. And you know where these potatoes came from? They came from, I think this is one of the originals. I think it is. I honestly can't tell. I want to say this is one of the originals. I don't know. Let's put it up here. But what happens is these potatoes that I grew here, oh, that's a rock. These potatoes came from a potato that started sprouting that we bought from the store. Look at that. Oh, there's the original. Oh, look, there's a big one. Okay. That's a new one. I don't think that one's ready yet. It look ready to you? I don't think so. Okay, I'll put it right there for now. But look at this. Now, okay, that's an original. See, that's what the original looks like. It starts to sprout, and then I don't know how, but all the little baby potatoes start to grow from it. But that's an original. So we're gonna just put that right there. So I think these two are originals. They feel like it. Okay, this one's soft. This one is not as soft, but that might be an original too. Okay, let's see if there's anything else in here. That's a rock. Okay, that might be everything. That's a rock too. Here's another one, deep down in the abyss. And I think that's everything. Yeah, I think that's everything. Yep, that's everything. Okay, so that's not bad, huh? A grow bag. I mean, I literally grew potatoes from a store-bought potato started sprouting. So that's cool. So you know what? I'm gonna throw that back in there, y'all, because I don't think it's ready. I'm just gonna throw it in there and see what happens. I'm gonna throw this little bulb in there because I don't think that's ready. I got nothing to lose. Throw that in there. And then I have some of these that are sprouting too. Now, you know, probably should have put these in there before a long time ago, but I didn't. But you know what? I'm just gonna throw it in there just to experiment, just to see what happens. Just to see what happens. And I got one more right here. Sometimes you just gotta try things out and see what happens. Yeah. All right, y'all. So that was my harvest from this grow bag. I know it's not a lot, but if you do it consistently, you can have your own potatoes. Not bad. And let me tell you, they taste really good too. So you add them to your different foods, to kind of like make it a little more filling for you. But yeah, all from grow bags. Oh wait, did I pull this one out? Okay. There's nothing on that. Okay. All right, y'all. That's it. So what should I do with these? Should I just throw them away? Or should I throw them away? Should I put them back? Because look like this one is sprouting again. Well, that one's sprouting again. So you know what? I'm gonna put it right back in there, y'all, just to see what happens. I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm experimenting, and we'll just have to wait and see what happens. All right, y'all. So that's my harvest. This time I got 2 more grow bags for potatoes, and we will see what happens. All right, y'all. Take care. Peace.